Did you know forgetting to use your signal lights can lead to dangerous situations? Why it's important. 1. Prevents accident. Signals give other drivers time to react. 2. Communicates your intentions. It shows what you're about to do. 3. Ensures road safety. Helps keep traffic flow smooth and predictable. 4. It's required by law. Avoid traffic fines and penalties. 5. Common courtesy. It's respectful to fellow drivers and pedestrians. How to properly signal. Show a driver using the signal light at a turn and when switching lanes. Make sure to signal before every turn or lane change. Give others time to react. Conclusion. End with a call to action. Remember, using signal lights saves lives. Be a responsible driver.